Fuel prices have come down almost 15p. I am going to fill it up to the brim. So yeah, there's one small problem. Just take a look at this view. Disaster. Left the charcoal at home. Done it in here, but it's worked a treat.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
Right, we're on our way and the weather's completely changed. Have a look at that. Any minute now it's going to absolutely lash it down. Fuel prices have come down almost 15p. I am going to fill it up to the brim. Right, look at the rain. Oh man, any minute now it's going to absolutely lash it down. Right, be back in a minute.
You okay?
Bye.
Hiya!
Right, we're about a minute away. Now, this campsite where we're going, BaysBrown Campsite, which is in Chapel Style, right in the middle of the Langdale valleys. Now, there's one small problem with this place. Apart from that, have a look.
Sheep in the road outside of houses. You kidding me? Go back into your little fields now.
So yeah, there's one small problem, and that is it's first come first served. So let's hope we're not last, because if we are, well, we're gonna have to go and find somewhere else. Yeah. All right, let's see. There's more sheep here.
Oh yeah. Hello, little sheepy sheep. Hello, Ma. Ma.
Alright, so we're here. This campsite looks really busy. And it is busy. It is busy. Have a look at that. You can't really see a lot, but
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van.
alright, we've come to the beautiful BaysBrown Campsite. Just take a look at this view. You've got Langdale pikes in front. The sun just casting the shadow there over the mountain. And there's the farm up in the distance. So, you may have seen it in our previous video, but we've got the Wolfwise tent here, which was kindly gifted to us. So, it's for Amika. it's not for me, so we decided that when we make this product review that actually Amika's going to do it. So over to you. It's one of the pop-up tents that opens up really quickly, so basically you just undo it and take it out of the bag, give it a chuck, bend your teeth, go down, throw it, ta-da! And that is it. It's as easy as it comes up, really quickly. And then obviously it's a little bit windy today, so it's going to get blown about a bit, but yeah, you obviously just get it all set up and then peg it into the floor. There's 4 pegs in it. Oh no, there's way more than 4 pegs. Okay, so take one of those, go and pop it in that corner around there, pull it out nice and tight. Yeah, just pop it in into that peg spot. That's it. Open it up. That's it. And then what you want to do, make sure you turn the peg around this way, so when it goes up it will catch on that bit there. Right, give that a push in. Right, can you do it?
That's easier than normal.
Yeah, it's because the floor's soft, that's why. Before we did it, we were trying to push into the ground. It was like the Sahara Desert. Right, so give that one a pull out as well. So make sure it's tight against the other side. That's it, push it in. Pull this corner out first, so it's nice and square. Like that. That's it. And then same on that one. One more peg over there. That's it, and this one is one that you need to get nice and tight. And there you go, pegged in by an 8-year-old girl who's never put up a tent before. So what do you reckon?
Amazing!
Yeah, is it easy enough to do?
Yeah!
Do you think you could do that again on your own without me?
Yeah!
Yeah, easy enough?
Yeah!
Excellent. What about inside? Show me a look. So the zip obviously comes down at the front and zips up both sides there, and that one. Yeah. So it creates a nice little barrier. Now, point to note, this is not a waterproof tent, it's shower proof, so if you're planning on taking it somewhere like Glastonbury, when it rains most year, you'll get absolutely drenched in here, but that's not what it's designed for. It's a beach tent, designed for the summer, just to protect you from the wind. Go on, in you go. And obviously, kids can play in it as well, and there's another advantage to this tent, which is, do you want to just do those 2 up? There's also a door on this side, and I would say that this is more for the beach. And there we go. So if you're at the beach, you can open this up, roll this up out the way at the front, or stick it underneath like that. And there you go, you've got a perfect beach tent where you can enjoy yourself.
And go to that side.
Okay. Go to this side. Yeah, what are you going to show me? Okay. There we go, so there's windows, and there was also a window on the other side as well. So what do you think about the Wolf-Wise beach tent?
Love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That one comes off as well?
Yeah, this is the best tent I've ever had in my life.
Okay, well there you go. If you're going to buy a kid's tent, this is what you want. So, out of 10?
10.
10 out of 10?
No, 100.
100 out of 10. So there you go. If you want to buy it, I'll put a link in the description below. The kids are going to love it, trust me. Well, the sun's just setting and the moon's out, and disaster because left the charcoal at home. What a nightmare. Everything we brought was for barbecues, so we're gonna have to just use the pan instead, which is a complete nightmare.
So it's a bigger fire so it's warmer.
Exactly.
How do I keep on reading your mind all day today?
Sure. This has got salami in it.
Yum! Can I try some salami?
Try all.
Ooh, salami. Put it on the fire. Put that on the top of the fire, then you can cook it.
Like that?
Yeah.
We might make it go black, that's the only problem. Works, huh? Still the same, isn't it?
Huh?
I'm busy now, isn't it? A lot of people there. Well, we forgot the charcoal, so we've done it in here, but it's worked a treat. Salami and chicken, you don't want the pepper, do you? Red pepper.
Yuck. Okay. I'll take all of the salami, please. And...
Is that having it all? I want some as well.
Oh, yeah.
There's only one piece left.
Oh, I'll have that, please.
That's it.
I'll swap this for that one.
Is that enough chicken?
Yeah.
Sure.
You can play a game where first one to bite a piece of chicken, first one to eat a piece of salami and swallow it.
First one to eat a piece of chicken. Go!
You shot it too fast.
Winner. Olives.
Yeah?
Cheese.
I'll try some cheese.
We went to the supermarket the other day and these ended up in the trolley basket, and I don't remember putting them in, and Amika didn't put them in at all. She was nowhere near them, so I must have picked them up whilst I was thinking about something totally different and just put them in. Weird.
Did you pay for them?
Yeah, that's when I noticed them, when they put it flat so they'll roll off. Right, see if you like them first. Peas and herb olives. Wow, they're nice olives.
More.
You got the cheese as well?
No. I'll try it.
Try these. Feta cheese. It's a bit like bloomin'.
No, I don't like it at all.
More chicken now.
No. Huh?
Do you want any more chicken?
Just please.
Got a big fat juicy bit.
Yeah. Oh, that's a beauty.
Look at these.
Oh, yum!
It needs a barbecue. They'll be juicy as well.
Good.
That bird.
Whoa, that's so cool.
It's a heron.
I just went round in a circle.
It's a big heron. I'm looking for fish maybe.
Yeah. There's a river down there.
Is there?
Mm-hmm.
River, oh yeah, the one we came in.
Mm-hmm.
Right, I need a tester, really. Is there any testers?
I'll be a tester. I'm a tester.
Very hot.
We both need to have one full piece of it.
How many of these do you want? Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Just one? Not, what about all the other ones?
You eat them.
You can have two.
No!
Come on, try.
Oh. Ow!
That's the kebabs.
Yuck. It even
Yuck?
stinks.
You mean yuck? You never even tried them.
I don't even like lamb, so I probably won't like them.
Huh?
No. I don't want any more sweet corn after this one. Yuck.
Say that. Look at the clouds now, the sunset.
So cool.
Right, blow it hard and it will set on fire. Harder,
It's going red.
harder.
This is
There it
hard.
goes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, whoa. Now I'm getting warm.
Something slimy there, I'm not sure if it's a slug. Right, so yeah, we haven't had a barbecue. We've had a load of barbecue food, but cooked in a pan, which tasted exactly like a barbecue, to be fair.
Well, different, because it tasted more nice.
Apparently it tasted more nice. So yeah, sunset now. I put the time lapse on the wrong setting, as you'll see in a second. I'll chuck it up. And yeah, unfortunately it was 6 seconds rather than a minute, but I'll make sure it's on the right setting tomorrow. I've already changed it, so it's good to go. Weather's going to be good tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get a nice sunset. A few more clouds would be nice, and you get that nice multicoloured sky with a bit of luck. We've got the flags up, the only ones with the flags up, so we'll probably look like right weirdos, but who cares?
And that sounds alarm going off.
And it's pretty busy here, but to be fair, it's not. Most campsites are sold out. I had a look on the caravan and camping website and the motorhome and caravanning, whatever the other one's called, both of which I've registered to, which cost me £45 and £50 or something like that. But they are for the year, it's an annual basis, so it's fine. I'm sure I'll get my money's worth out of that. But especially living in the Lake District, there's loads of places to go and visit. But that's it. This one's sat outside like some sort of weirdo, trying to keep warm.
A babushka.
A babushka, a little babushka, which is Russian for...
Nana.
Yeah, Nana. Grandma. And that's it. What time is it now? It's only 9:30. People next to us have gone to bed quite early, so we're trying to keep the noise down a bit. And the people that have turned up have also gone to bed, so people are probably going to get up super early, which means it's in our best interest to go to bed early, because we'll probably get woke up. So that's it. It is what it is. It's relatively quiet here now. A few campfires going, but ours is just going out now. He might be able to make it out. The last little dregs of it just going out now. So I'm just going to sort of sit around and monitor that while it goes out. Mika's going to jump into the bed. She's got, I don't know if you can make it out, but I pulled the curtain back a little bit on the front window. No, you can't really see, but she's got basically a panoramic view of the stars. So shortly the stars will be out. We're just going to have a little look to see if we can see some satellites going past. It'd be super cool if we can see the Starlink satellites, but I think everybody in the world has seen Starlink satellites apart from me, which is quite frustrating. Here we haven't. Well, we thought we saw them, didn't we, when we lived back in Chesterfield? We thought we saw them go across the sky, but...
Remember when you got... Is it that GoPro where you put on the tripod thing?
Mm-hmm.
And then you took a film of those satellites?
Yeah, but they weren't the Starlink ones. The Starlink ones are all together in a big line, so we'll have to have a look. There is an app to find where they are.
There was some.
There is stars now.
There was some, like, about 3 in a row.
Yeah, but the Starlink is like loads in a row. One after another, like a train going past. Like, all going across the sky. We should be able to see them.
I can see the stars.
Yeah, I just said that. Right, anyway, it's late. I'm going to wrap up and get myself into bed as soon as this fire goes out. See you in the morning.